Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Which of the following best describe the earned income tax credit? So basically, do you know what the earned income tax credit is? Well, A, it's a non-refundable credit designed for high income taxpayer. Well, usually high income taxpayer don't get any credit, whether refundable or not. They'll get tax loopholes. Just joking. Yeah, okay, so no, it's not for high income taxpayer. A refundable credit designed to encourage and support work. Is that the purpose of the earned income? The first hint is earned income, support work. I would say B is better than A. I will keep B for now. A deduction that reduces adjusted gross income. This is a credit. This is not a deduction. C is out. I hope we know the difference between a deduction and a credit. A payroll tax credit. A payroll tax credit for employers. No, this tax credit is for people who are working employees. Now, so B is the correct answer here. Now, what can you do? If you're using Farhat Lectures, we have farhat.ai. It could explain the topic for you if you'd like to a little bit further, explain the correct and incorrect answer. And if you want more MCQs about this topic, you can ask AI to create more MCQs. But what you should do now is go to Farhat Lectures, work more MCQs, look at more resources, lectures, podcast lessons, exercises, AI tools, flashcards, summary notes. The best investment you can make, whether you are an accounting student, CPA exam candidate, or enrolled agent, is invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.